Healthcare, an area as wide and deep as any field can ever be. In India, we have a lot of pharmaceutical manufacturers, most of them united by a common bond. Cadmach Machinery Company Private Limited, India's largest manufacturer of pharmaceutical machinery, a company which is helping the Indian pharmaceutical industry hone its indigenous edge, at the same time allowing it to manufacture international quality medicines at the highest possible economy. Cadmach, a part of the highly diverse Cadila Group, a group which has a major presence in the pharmaceutical field, as a result of which it is best able to understand the needs of the industry. No wonder then that Cadmach is the best unit of its kind in the field in the country and a leader in its own right. Cadmach Machinery Company Private Limited, a giant acclaimed the world over for its quality, reliability and service. A company founded on the roots of self-reliance, a tribute to the courage and vision of its founders and the dedicated team of professionals in the group. The company carries on the vision with a new leadership emerging. A company that manufactures the most comprehensive range of pharmaceutical machinery, right from the simplest single stroke to the highly advanced CAD press. Each product a perfect blend of superior technology and engineering excellence. Let's take a quick look at some of these wonders. The Cadmach products, each perfectly designed for optimum results and long life. Each one a technological advance, providing a breakthrough in terms of the economy as well. Today, almost all the pharmaceutical manufacturers figure on Cadmach's client list, which includes over 4,000 names, from the smallest of the small to the giant multinationals. Cadmach has set a living example with exports to over 45 countries, including such advanced ones as the USA, the former USSR, UK, Germany, Italy, Australia, and the European nations, to name a few. Many of which, like Italy, Germany, and the UK, were the places from where, just a few years back, India was importing pharmaceutical machinery. Now, in the same countries, Cadmach is competing against the world leaders and emerging a winner. Cadmach Machinery Company Private Limited, a leader which has been redefining the standards of excellence from day one. Now, let's take a close look at what makes Cadmach the leader it is. Any product is just as good as it is made. At Cadmach, best is what is always insisted upon. The quality control begins right from the selection of the raw materials and its metallurgical composition. Careful supervision and stringent manufacturing standards together make machines having high standards of quality. Cadmach is one of the very few companies in India to have its own sophisticated in-house hardening and tempering unit, an advantage which Cadmach has converted into a distinct winning edge with its technical expertise and absolute mastery. Manufacturing superior quality components that assure international quality machines. A lot of care is taken while assembling the machines, because Perfection is what Cadmach seeks, and perfection is what it creates. Each and every Cadmach machine is so designed that there is an interchangeability of spares. At Cadmach, compromise is an unheard of phenomenon. There are stringent quality checks at each and every stage of the manufacturing process, right from the raw material to sub-assembly to the final assembly stage. Even the final packing is done to international standards. And just like the products, even the packing has become the industry standard. A team of technocrats constantly monitor each and every stage of the manufacturing process to ensure that every machine that bears this name is perfect. Cadmach's winning edge, it's R&D. Since its inception, Cadmach has always believed in original R&D. That's the reason why it has emerged as a leader with an international standing. At any given time, Cadmach has the industry's best R&D team, engaged in seeking far-reaching solutions. Cadmach's R&D combines the originality of scientific research with the practicality of commercial enterprise. This team has been achieving major breakthroughs right since the beginning. The most recent example of which is the revolutionary Conglomerates, a sophisticated equipment that helps in carrying out trial runs on a very small scale. Conglomerates has proved to be a boon for the pharmaceutical industry, as it allows the conduction of trial runs with minimum quantities of material. All in all, it provides accurate results while helping to save a lot of expense. Moreover, it is also an all-purpose equipment which finds applications in over 40 areas, including postgraduate academic institutions, food, dairy, sweetmeats and confectionery, chemicals, paints, and many more. If R&D is Cadmach's edge, then service is its forte. It has a team of service engineers ready to respond instantly to the needs of the customers, anywhere, anytime. Cadmach has an extensive customer support reach all over the country. It has young and dedicated service teams at all the major locations: Ahmedabad, Bombay, Delhi, Madras, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Calcutta. Moreover, it has a global network of representatives taking care of its international clients with the same promptness. But then, Cadmach doesn't stop here. To ensure that its customers get only the most cost-effective solutions, Cadmach has a separate in-house punches and dies unit, where high-precision punches and dies are manufactured. These punches and dies ensure that the products that come out are perfect and that the machines continue their trouble-free performance. When you calculate the material you save and the precision and consistency you get by using these punches and dies, you are bound to be amazed. On the delivery front too, Cadmach is committed. It has always believed that customer satisfaction is where it all begins and ends. With this philosophy, it is not surprising that it has a 100% track record of meeting the agreed-upon deadlines. Prompt and timely deliveries of machines and spares are ensured. Practically all the spare parts are kept ex-stock, cutting down the downtime to almost zero. Total customer satisfaction is what Cadmach delivers. To top it all, Cadmach also offers special free training to all the clients. That too, not just at its own premises, but at their unit as well. Its other services include offering comprehensive preventive maintenance programs, free services during warranty period, and also undertaking service contracts at economical rates for the machines which are out of the warranty period. As a part of its constant endeavour to offer better services to the customers, Cadmach has started an application data bank which helps in upgrading the process technology, helping the customers in enhancing their productivity while reducing the process cost. In fact, Cadmach offers comprehensive services which includes identifying requirements of the machines, process technology, and the most cost-effective method. Trial run facilities are also offered at the factory, even before the purchase decision is taken by the customer. Total solution is what Cadmach seeks, and total solution is what it offers to the customers. But this is just the beginning, with many exciting technological innovations and breakthroughs to follow. Cadmach Machinery Company Private Limited, the house of quality, the leader in innovations. No wonder then that the best in the industry